In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view saved passwords in Chrome in a quick and easy way. If you've ever forgotten a login and needed to find a password you already saved, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Just a quick note before we begin, you should only view passwords on your own device and for your own accounts. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From the dropdown, click Settings. Now, on the Settings page, look for the section called Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome stores tools related to saved logins, payment methods, and other autofill information. Click on Autofill and Passwords, then choose Google Password Manager. This will open the Password Manager where Chrome keeps your saved website login details. Once you're inside Google Password Manager, you'll see a list of websites and accounts that have been saved to your browser. Select any website from the list that you want to check. After selecting the website, you'll see the login details associated with that site. To reveal the password, click the eye icon or Show Password button. At this point, Chrome will ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. On most computers, you'll need to enter your system password, PIN, or use your device authentication before the password is displayed. This step is important because it helps keep your saved passwords protected from anyone else who uses your device. Once you enter your system password, the hidden password will appear on screen, and you'll be able to view it or copy it if needed. If you're trying to use it on another device or log in somewhere else, this is the moment where you can securely note it down or paste it into the correct login form. And that's it. You now know how to view saved passwords in Chrome using Google Password Manager. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, computer tricks, and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.